What's up guys? Today, I forgot my gloves. Alright, so I have scissors. Hold on. I need to open my silk first because it's for the appearing cane. Okay, so let's unbox this. This is from DV Magic Shop. So yeah, this is from DV Magic Shop. I ordered zebra, as you can see. Wow, it looks so cool. Let me open this. So here it is. I ordered its zebra color. Let's check. Wow, it's zebra color. So I have the silk on top of my gloves. Okay, so wow, it has a new color, guys. It is a zebra color appearing cane metal. Alright, put the pin on. So I ordered a black silk. It's big. So I'll tie it up to this stuff. Alright. Now when that's done, I wave the silk around and then, oh no, fail. That was a fail. Make the silk skinny, just like this, and oh, it was a fail again, guys. It was a fail again. Let me just do this and boom, just like that. I'll put on the silk again. Alright. The silk. Hold on. I'll do it off camera. Hold on. Just kidding. Oh, so it works. It's pretty cool. I'll take off the silk. So yeah, that's the zebra color appearing cane metal. I'll have so much fun with this now. Bye.